never stay.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and today we're gonna do a transformation, okay? And it's featuring Nova Beauty. I'm gonna go for more of the clean girl look. This is a version of what everyone is doing in 2023. Like, if it ain't the brown smoky eye, it is not it, okay? Tell me, do y'all do the brown smoky eye in 2023? Like, y'all do that every time y'all go outside. Y'all can't vouch. If y'all can't vouch, that means y'all still doing those creative looks, okay? And I love it. But I'm gonna do the clean girl vibe. So right now I'm just doing my brows, and if y'all don't know about Nova Beauty, y'all need to go check it out. They have tons of makeup products on their site, from lips to palettes to eyeshadows to beauty blenders, eyelash tweezers. It's just a lot. Like, I'm sitting over here like I could name things and go on and on about what Nova Beauty has. But if y'all don't know them, go ahead and check the site down in the description bar below. That will link you to the direct page of Nova Beauty, and y'all gonna see everything that Nova Beauty has to offer y'all. And when I tell y'all the quality is A1, it's A1. And I love their brand because it's just like really clean but then fun at the same time, because they have so many lip combos that you can do. But the palettes are very neutral, okay? So I just love the brand. If you are one of those girls of everything I just said, you're gonna love this. You're going to love this. All right, y'all. So I did my brows, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put my base on. Now this eye, I just went ahead and took some browns off camera and did a smoky eye. I'm not going to show the brand, but I went ahead and just took some matte shadows and I did this smoky eye. I love when my base looks like this because it's just like a creative way for me to just think of what to do. And I miss those type of days where I could just sit down and be like, oh my God, I have a look in my head and I want to do it. So with the Nova Beauty eyeshadow palettes, it's a lot of shimmers in the palette. It's like probably about 2 matte shades out of the 2 palettes. So there is a bronze and a smoky palette. So I just went ahead and took matte shadows because I really like shimmers either in the inner corner, or if I'm doing a cut crease, I'll put it on the lid area, or if I'm just doing like a no cut crease look, I'll put it on my eyes. So I just went ahead and took a darker brown and a lighter brown and smoked that out. Those 2 colors are really bomb together, and when I tell you this inner corner, then I'm about to pop in my inner, y'all, it eats. It eats. Now that I'm finishing up my shadow, I always like to go back in with whatever color I lay down first to intensify each color. So I lay it down once and I go back in a second time or a third time, depending on how intense I want it. And I just go back and forth and I blend it until I got the exact blend and it looks good. So I'm going to go ahead into this Nova Beauty Smoky palette and I'm going to grab Luxe. That color set this in the corner off. I love the shimmer. The pigment is there. It is very creamy and I just love it. That inner corner needed to be there, and that's why Nova Beauty was there for a reason. So I did also take this little tiny brush that fits right in the inner corner, and it's from Nova Beauty 5-piece set, their brush set. Okay, so I'm getting ready for the lashes. They have tweezers, y'all. They have tweezers and lashes. Now y'all know I love my big lashes because my eyes, if y'all can see, those lashes are very small, but they are so cute. And these lashes look so pretty on me, but my eyelids are big. Y'all can tell the difference, and y'all wonder why I wear bigger lashes to complement my big lid space, and why I don't really wear small lashes. But I really like these lashes. It just made me look more dainty and like, I don't know, versus from the big lashes, but it just made me look really soft. and I just really like how they are looking on me, like really soft. I love the look. Like, I thought I was gonna be like, no, don't give me no small lashes. If you are a small lash girl, these are definitely for you. I will leave these in the description right below, and also the name to these as well. Actually going to go ahead and do my face. I'm going to come back when it is time to add the other products to my face. Now that everything is set and ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and finish the eye off with this waterline, this gel liner from Nova Beauty in the shade ASAP. This goes directly in my waterline, and I love it because it's making me look very seductive right now. I feel like black makes me look seductive, and like those whites and those lighter colors open my eye up to where it make it look very big. I don't know, I like both. You know, some people say I can't get away with those bright colors under the eye. So yeah, this black is very creamy and it's definitely for you. Going back into that Smoky palette, I'm going to take that color, that's the black shade, and I'm going to smoke my lower lash line out with that along with some brown. And I must say, this look is coming together very well. I'm going to go ahead and finish the bottom of the under eye off with some mascara, add some blush. I'm going to dust this powder away, y'all, and I'm going to do my final touches. And I want to see y'all when it comes to these lips, because baby, these lips, honey, these lips, finishing off this look with some of my favorite Nova Beauty products. This is the liner. It's a gel liner in the shade On My Way, OMW, and I line my lips with this because it's matte, it is dark, and I love it. Okay, and I'm just gonna line my lips with this liner, and I overline my lips because I love when my lips look big. For some of the ones that are asking like, oh, what happened to your lips? I have fillers in my lips, y'all. I've been had fillers, and I got more in February, y'all, and I just love them. Okay, I think this is my last time getting them until like they go small. But I did add a matte lipstick in the center of my lips. I'm going to dry that my face because I did spray it with a mist, and then now I'm setting it with a matte setting spray. I don't know, I just love when I just have those two combos. I'm adding my moles, and then after my moles, I'm going to go ahead and just top the lips off with some clear gloss and a nude gloss in the center. However, before I do that, I am going to go ahead and add highlight down the bridge of my nose. But if y'all haven't checked out Nova Beauty, I think y'all should go ahead and do so now. Go ahead and add some items to your cart. Just try them, okay? And I'm telling you, you're gonna like them. But until then, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video.